This is why you need to understand gravity. It's the invisible glue holding the universe together. Without it, everything, yes, everything, would fall apart. Gravity isn't just the reason apples fall from trees. It's the architect of galaxies, the choreographer of orbits, and the silent force shaping our very existence. But what actually is gravity? Isaac Newton pictured it as a pulling force between masses. Simple, right? But then Einstein came along and rewrote the script. He said massive objects like Earth bend space and time itself, creating a cosmic dimple that everything else rolls towards. Mind blown yet? So why doesn't the Earth just fling off into space, or the moon tumble down onto our heads? It's all thanks to gravity's never-ending tug-of-war, balancing speed and attraction in a cosmic dance. And get this, gravity is by far the weakest of nature's forces. You can overpower the entire planet's pull just by picking up a paperclip with a fridge magnet. Yet across billions of light-years, gravity weaves the universe together, sculpting stars, planets, and even black holes. Scientists are still chasing its deepest secrets. Could there be gravity waves whispering through the cosmos, or a deeper quantum force at work? We're just beginning to eavesdrop on gravity's softest whispers. So next time you drop your phone, remember, you're tapping into the same force that holds galaxies together. Gravity isn't just a law, it's the gentle thread stitching the universe into one vast, beautiful whole.